Bullish Ethereum, ETH cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $6,990.82 and $13,204.89 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $5,437.31 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,242.81. Ethereum, ETH presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports Shroud agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital money after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum organizers. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance, DeFi, offer a great many monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary go-betweens like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are moreover conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for starting coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? ETH. Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH. It's local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any protected computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and designers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum, ETH, major investigation. It's memorable fundamental that most digital currencies are projects as opposed to associations rather than the securities exchange. Subsequently, by finishing a reasonable central examination and taking into account all the data that is right now open about the undertaking, you might decide if a cryptographic money is beneficial or not. The objective of major investigation is to determine a resource's characteristic worth. For example, you might assess whether a digital currency is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inward and outside factors. Ether is important on account of a few variables. In any case, its handiness is significant for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money, DeFi, convention classifications of advances, decentralized trades, DEXs, subsidiaries, resources, and installments require Ether expenses. Moreover, the biological system of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and various, as found in the pictures underneath. Ethereum is presently worth $1,553.52 United States dollars. ETH has moved 0.14% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $4,468,695,323. Ethereum is presently positioned 2 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $191,486,687,493 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum. ETH. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Ethereum, ETH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. ETH. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $2,330.27. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2,174.92 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $1,864.22. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $3,883.79. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,107.03 and a typical exchanging cost of $3,417.74. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $5,437.31, and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4,971.25 and a low of $4,660.55 in 2025. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2026. Assuming Ethereum effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $6,990.82, with a base cost of $6,214.06 and a typical cost of $6,524.77. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8,078.28 by 2027, with a base cost of $7,767.58 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a greatest value worth of $8,544.34. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $9,631.80. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $10,097.86, neglecting to accumulate the help ETH needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $9,321.10. Ethereum ETH value forecast 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $10,874.61, and a yearly cost close